Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, May 29th, and it's time for our very last QuiltCon review video. So if you remember, back in February of 2024, we were a gold sponsor of QuiltCon here in Raleigh, next door in Raleigh. And as such, our booth was full of designs and patterns created by North Carolina designers because I wanted to celebrate the fact that QuiltCon was in North Carolina. So this is our last two quilts of our QuiltCon booth, and I wanted to share them with you again because I know it's been a little bit since we talked about them. So this one is called Color Play, and it was made by Rosie Hanley. Rosie has been a past staff member here and a past class instructor here. So we have a lot of history with Rosie, and this is her Color Play quilt. Now in her quilt, she used some patterned fabrics, but in our kit for you, it's all solids. So, and we've actually labeled every single fabric in the kit so that you know which fabric is what and where they all go. So we have kits available for this quilt. We have single patterns available for this quilt. And then we also have digital downloads for this quilt. So I think it can be made in tons of different ways. There is a version of it with a white background. And of course, you don't have to go with rainbow. You could do a gradation from one color to another. So lots of amazing options are available with the Color Play quilt. And then finally, very last but not least, just ahead of Pride Month, we do have the Progressive Pride Flag by Julie Cassavant. Julie is a past staff member here at Cary Quilting. And this version of the Pride Flag was made and quilted by Catherine Setzer, who is one of our long arm quilters. We have kits available for this, which include all of the fabrics that you see in this actual quilt. So if you're interested in a Progressive Pride Flag quilt kit, we have those available now. I think there's just a handful of them left. So if you're interested, now would be a good time to grab one of those right ahead of Pride Month. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.